Hi viewers, welcome to Super's Kitchen. I'm Soumya. In this episode, I'm going to show you another delicious dish called Aval Puttu. Aval Puttu is a very delicious sweet dish made using poha or the flattened rice along with jaggery. This poha or the flattened rice is a very favorite dish for Lord Krishna. We used to make aval with jaggery and then on top of it we add coconut and offer as prasadam to Lord Krishna. This is a very scrumptious dish and make this for Krishna Jayanti and offer it to Lord Krishna as a prasadam.
Most of us make rice puttu, which is a slight complicated than this aval puttu. Aval puttu is a much simpler and easy to make dish. Let's take a look on the ingredients. Let's get started. I have taken 1 cup of thick aval or poha and 1 cup of grated jaggery. Thin poha does not work for this dish. First take the mixer jar and add this 1 cup of poha to it, and we need to grind it to a coarse powder. Now the coarsely grounded aval powder is ready. We need to sprinkle water to it twice or thrice to make it soft. Take this coarsely ground aval in a broad bowl. Sprinkle water little by little and mix the poha gently so that the poha is damp but at the same time it is in a crumbled consistency and not becoming mushy. Once the poha is wet, we can set this aside for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, again we need to sprinkle some water and mix it well. We need to repeat this process thrice so that the poha is nicely soft and cooked. Now the poha is all ready. It is very smooth as well as it is crumbled. Heat a saucepan and add the jaggery. I have taken 1 cup of jaggery for 1 cup of poha. Add 1/4 cup of water and allow the jaggery to dissolve completely. Now the jaggery is completely dissolved in water. We need to strain this jaggery to avoid any dust or sand particles. Remove this saucepan from flame. Keep another pan and strain this jaggery syrup to the pan. Bring this jaggery syrup to boil. When it starts to boil, add the grated coconut to it and mix well. Allow this jaggery syrup to boil till it reaches a rolling ball consistency. We can check the consistency by taking a small bowl of water and add a little of this jaggery syrup to the water. Then you should be able to make a ball out of this jaggery syrup which you have added it into the water like this. If you take it and if you are able to roll it into a bowl, then the consistency is perfect. If you are not able to roll it into the bowl, you keep this jaggery syrup in flame for more minutes. But if it is becoming very hard ball, then you can sprinkle some water to the jaggery syrup and then again you can bring it back to the soft rolling ball consistency. Now I have got a perfect rolling ball consistency. I am going to add the poha to it. The poha is already soft, so we have to mix this poha with this jaggery syrup and need to keep the flame very low for it to get incorporated with the jaggery and to become crumbled. Add cardamom powder and mix it gently. Keep in low flame and allow this aval puttu to become crumble on its own. You can see in few minutes It's becoming dried up and it is nicely thick. Add ghee at this point. Add a tablespoon of ghee and gently mix it, and again keep it in low flame till this becomes completely crumbled up. After 10 minutes you can see it has nicely crumbled. You can add another tablespoon of ghee and keep in flame for 5 more minutes, and then you can switch off the flame. See how nicely the aval is crumbled. In another pan, heat some ghee and add the cashews and roast them till they are golden brown in color. Add these cashews to the crumbled aval and mix it gently. The delicious aval puttu is all ready. This is much simpler than the rice puttu we make for Navratri and other festivals. Try this aval puttu as a Naivedyam for Krishna Jayanti and share your experience. I'll meet you all soon with another interesting recipe. Please subscribe this channel for more upcoming recipes. Thank you.